Cek cek. Cek cek.
Dek lihat.
Say hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Cek 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 tunggu. Cek 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 tunggu. No money, no Mecca.
Maybe 80 million to go Mecca. 80 million.
Yeah, it's impossible.
Turkey and Saudi. For Turkey or for Saudi? For Turkey.
Indonesia people don't like beer. They don't like.
No, they don't have.
Oh. So same with Korea. They like white skin and.
Indonesia no this bread. Oh yes, bread. Yes.
Breed.
Indonesia because
Beard.
bread. Yes.
Beer.
Because it. Turkey.
We don't have this. I don't know.
What is it?
We don't have this. Then.
Is it Indonesia?
Is it true?
Is it Provolone traditional? Wow, looks so nice.
Dance too? Maybe dance. Go to dance. How was it? Haram.
Yes, haram. Lagi sampai
Arabian.
lagi sampai tak boceng dia kan lagi sampai baik. This not good. This not good. Muslim.
You need to close.
Muslim looking not good.
Oh.
Sampai deh. Tradisional.
Kapatıyorlar şimdi.
Tradisional Indonesia.
Wow, baby, you look really Muslim.
Beri situ menang mana?
Belum men. Mari Jo yakin elok kan belum men. Ngomong bisa minta jemeriah.
Di mana suruh buka dia?
Oh.
Apa namanya?
Kelas, kelas.
You need to close your hair.
You beautiful.
Very beautiful.
Yeah.
Murah tim.
Very beautiful. No, close your eyes.
Nah.
Masuk YouTube energi ya. Aku oleh anu tuh.
Assalamualaikum.
Say assalamualaikum.
No good. No good.
Kok anjir mama.
She can't see.
No good. Iya.
Tapi tak ada payment fee. Pasangkan. Iya. Okay.
I'm your mom. This is I'm your mom.
She can't understand. Baby, you can't see now. You can't wear glass.
I think I can't wear glass. Oh.
You very beautiful. Very beautiful.
But I can't see nothing.
Indonesian, Korean.
ไม่ลงไปเซ็ตไม่ก็สิ
No good, no good. Sam. No Sam. Photo B.
Photo. I can't understand.
udah ngerti.
If you wear this, your baby can understand.
Understand.
Baby can
Yes,
understand.
understand.
Oh, baby more
Try. I'm bomb. Try. I'm bomb.
I can say to baby. Oh? Oh? Does it look like me? Oh.
Cheche understood.
Yeah, just understood I'm not her mother.
Iyo yang kakong cepat, kemarin ba?
My baby sarung.
Mampu jadinya kopi.
Dia bebel.
Sayang kopi aja. Kopi.
Cendol dawet seger. Cendol dawet seger piro? Gak pakai apa? Jiro.
저희는 어제 이렇게 방을 주셔가지고 잘 잤습니다. 사랑해요? 야, 사랑해. 1, 2, 3. 사랑해요.
Ayo tonton be kamu duduk belas.
Karambol.
Iya, main karambol. Masuk ada ya.
아, you put.
Wah, deh. Mbak.
You can record. It's really unrespectful.
Yeah, that's true. Baby, what do you think?
Baby, they need to die.
아, baby.
These kind of people need to die. Yeah, they are thinking if I have 4 wives or 3 wives, it means I can fuck all of them. I can make happy all of them. It means I'm healthy, I'm strong, I'm powerful. My penis is so big and my penis is so healthy. Blah blah blah. But it's like who have 3 wives or 4 wives? I'm sure most of them have another boyfriend
Because
he
he can
can't
fuck.
fuck all of them.
That's true. They are not happy about sexuality
Of
too.
course, baby, it's not enough. Even sometimes, man, not enough only for one moment. They feel tired when they came from work. They just sleep in home and eat food. This
But mama want to fuck.
woman want to fuck, but they can't. I'm sure they have boyfriends.
It's fair.
Yeah, it's fair.
Yeah, they need to take 3 boyfriends too.
Yeah. If one guy have 3 girlfriends,
They also need
wives,
to.
of course, wife need to take 3 boyfriends too.
That's true. So strange.
They can die. This kind of people. We don't need this kind of people.
That's true. They're not human. Baby, how many wife Muhammad can take Muhammad? Woman?
4.
4?
That's why they want to make 4.
무슬림 사람들도 자기도 무하마드처럼 되고 싶어가지고 와이프 막 4명 만들려고 하고 이런 약간 저질스러운 문화가 있는데 제가 인도네시아 수라바야에서 카우스서핑 했을 때 카우스서핑 호스트가 저희한테 인도네시아 사람의 40% 이상이 와이프를 2명 이상 가지고 있다 라고 얘기를 해준 적이 있었어요. 아 진짜 너무 심하다. 40%면 진짜 거의 절반 가까이가 2명 이상 가지고 있다는 건데 너무 심하다면서 그런 얘기를 했었던 적이 있었는데 근데 실제로 저희가 막 와이프 2명 이상 있는 사람을 본 적이 없어가지고 40%나 되나? 이런 생각을 하고 있었는데 지금 이렇게 만나니까 되게 되게 신기해요. 그러니까 그 사람은 되게 우러나봐요. 와, 와이프가 3명이나 있다. 진짜 쿨가이다. 약간 이런 식으로 생각을 하는 것 같은데, 아, 진짜 하루빨리 이런 저질스러운 문화가 없어졌으면 좋겠어요. 인도네시아는 되게 작은 섬마을 같은 데는 진짜 기형적이고 저질스러운 문화가 있는 그런 섬도 있거든요. 이건 인도네시아 사람들이 말해준 건데, 이런 저질스러운 사람들 좀 봐 이렇게 하면서 같은 인도네시아 국민들도 굉장히 싫어하는 섬이 있어요. 그 섬이 어떤 섬이냐면 애기들이 막 8살, 9살 이렇게 돼가지고 결혼한 그런 문화를 가진 섬이 있대요. 근데 또 무하마드 와이프 4명 중에 한 명이 또 8살짜리 애기였어. 근데 그걸 또 따라하는 거야. 다 불살질러가지고 아예 그냥 씨를 말려버려야 돼. 엄청 미개하고 저질스러운 문화를 아직까지도 가지고 있다는 거 너무 가슴 아프고 슬픈 일인 것 같아요. 이거는 뭔가 아무리 오픈마인드여도 존중해줄 수가 없는, 나의 그릇에 담을 수 없는 문화야. 진짜 이런 문화는 하루빨리 없어져야 된다고 생각합니다.